Do you feel like your English is not improving even though you try so hard? Maybe you watch videos, maybe you memorize words, but when it comes to speaking, you get stuck. Don't worry, you are not alone. The truth is, you don't need to study English for hours every day. You don't need to live in America or the UK, and you don't need a native speaker beside you. What you really need are smart, simple, and repeatable daily habits that actually fit into your busy life. And in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can practice English every single day, even if you are busy, even if you are shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan that will help you speak more naturally without translating in your head, boost your confidence so you don't freeze in conversations, improve your listening and pronunciation at the same time, and most importantly, make English a natural part of your daily life. So if you've ever wondered, how do I practice English every day without wasting time, stay with me till the end, because this video might completely change the way you learn English. Let's start with something very important. The biggest mistake English learners make is thinking that English can only be learned by studying grammar rules or memorizing long vocabulary lists. But the reality is different. Real fluency comes from using English daily in small, simple, and repeatable ways. Think about it. When a child learns their first language, do they study grammar books? Do they memorize word lists? Of course not. They listen, they copy sounds, they speak, and slowly, naturally, they become fluent. That's exactly how you should approach English. And today, I'll explain how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Listen to English every day. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If you want to speak well, you must train your ears first. When you listen daily, your brain automatically starts to recognize sounds, words, and sentence patterns. Now you might think, but I don't understand everything I hear in English. Should I still listen? The answer is yes, absolutely yes, because listening is not only about understanding every single word, it's about training your brain to get used to the rhythm, the music, and the natural flow of English. Here's how you can make it simple. Start with things you enjoy. It could be short podcasts, YouTube videos, English songs, or even news for learners. Don't worry about 100% understanding. Even if you catch 30 to 50%, your brain is still learning. Make English your background sound. Play it while walking, cooking, cleaning, exercising, or even before going to bed. Remember, just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. The key is consistency. The more you listen, the more natural English will start to feel to you. Step 2. Shadowing. Speak while you listen. Now, listening is powerful, but if you only listen, your speaking will remain weak. That's why the next step is shadowing, repeating exactly what you hear. Shadowing is simple. You play a sentence in English. Immediately, you repeat it with the same speed, tone, and rhythm. Don't stop, don't translate in your head, just copy the sounds like an echo. Let's practice right now. Repeat after me. I want to improve my English every day. Repeat it again. I want to improve my English every day. Now say, I listen carefully and repeat confidently. Repeat it again. I listen carefully and repeat confidently. Now say, shadowing helps me speak naturally. Repeat it again. Shadowing helps me speak naturally. At first, it might feel strange or even difficult. You may not understand every word, and that's okay, because shadowing is not about perfect understanding. It's about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. When you practice this daily, even for 5 minutes, your fluency will improve faster, your pronunciation will become clearer, and you will feel more confident using English. Step 3. Think in English. One of the biggest barriers to fluency is translation. Many learners think in their own language first, then translate into English, and then try to speak. But by that time, the conversation has already moved forward. To become fluent, you must stop translating and start thinking directly in English. How do you do that? By starting small. Here's a method. Begin with short, simple thoughts. For example, it's morning. I need tea. The weather is hot. As you go through your day, describe simple things in your mind in English. I am working. I feel tired. I want to rest. At first, this will feel slow, but with practice, your brain will get used to forming thoughts directly in English. No translation, no delay. And once you start thinking in English, speaking becomes much easier and much faster. Later, you can also say these thoughts out loud quietly, like a personal conversation with yourself. This daily habit will rewire your brain for English step by step. Step 4. Read aloud. Silent reading is useful, but if you really want to speak fluently, you must practice speaking aloud. Why? Because when you read aloud, 3 things happen at the same time. Number 1, your mouth learns the shapes and sounds of English words. Number 2, your ears hear your own voice speaking English. Number 3, your brain gets faster at connecting words and ideas. It's just like going to the gym. If you want strong muscles, you must exercise daily. Similarly, if you want a strong English voice, you must exercise your speaking muscles. Here's a simple routine for reading aloud. Choose a short text, maybe a children's story, a short article, or even subtitles from a video. Step 1, read it slowly and clearly. Focus on correct pronunciation. Step 2, read it again, but a little faster. Focus on rhythm and flow. Step 3, read it one more time with expression, like an actor. Imagine you are telling the story to a friend. This practice will not only improve your pronunciation, but also boost your confidence. Soon, you will notice that your voice sounds smoother and more natural when you speak English. Step 5. Make English part of your daily life. Now comes the most powerful step. Don't just study English, live English. If English becomes part of your everyday life, learning will no longer feel like homework. It will feel natural. Here are some easy but powerful ways to do this. Number 1, change your phone settings. Think about it. You look at your phone dozens of times every day. If your phone is in English, you will see English words again and again. Update, settings, download, delete, brightness. You don't even need to study these words. Just seeing them daily will make them stick in your memory. This is called passive learning, and it works like magic. Number 2, keep a short English diary. Every night, write just 3 sentences about your day. For example, today I went to work. I met my friend. In the evening, I watched a short English video. This takes less than 5 minutes, but gives you daily writing practice. Over time, your grammar and vocabulary will improve naturally. Number 3, record a 1-minute voice note. At the end of your day, record yourself speaking in English for 1 minute. Talk about your day, your plans, or even your feelings. Don't worry about mistakes. Nobody else needs to hear it. This is just for you. When you listen to your recording, you will hear your pronunciation, your grammar, and even your mistakes. Slowly, you will fix them. This builds self-awareness and confidence. Number 4, join an English community online. You don't have to wait for a classroom. Join a WhatsApp group, a Telegram channel, or an online forum for English learners. Even reading other people's messages will give you exposure, and if you send short texts or voice notes, you will practice real communication. Number 5, use short videos for practice. Social media is full of short, simple English content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Instead of only watching for fun, use them for learning. Watch a short video, pause it, and repeat the sentences you hear. Try to copy the tone, rhythm, and expression of the speaker. Even a 20-second clip can give you powerful practice. Remember, fluency is not about studying English for hours in one day and then doing nothing for a week. Fluency is about small habits you repeat daily. 10 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of shadowing, a few short thoughts in English, reading a short text aloud, writing 3 sentences in a diary. These tiny actions may look small, but together they build strong habits, and strong habits are what create fluent, confident English speakers. So here's my message for you. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start today with one small habit, because every time you listen, every time you shadow, every time you think in English, you are moving one step closer to fluency. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these 5 steps will you start today? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. And if this video gave you value, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Learn English Audiobook, because I'll be sharing more practical tips to help you speak English confidently and naturally. Remember, don't just study English, live English. That's the real secret to fluency. See you in the next video.